What's good, YouTube? It's your boy White Pree, and I'm back with another video, yes sir. So today we playing drunk Jenga.
Cut up.
Victoria.
Yeah, I need to talk a little louder.
Shay, baby.
Ryan.
Most def. So basically, they gonna play Jenga, and we got a few dares and other stuff written on the blocks. You know what I'm saying? So make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. It's your boy White Pree. We out.
Okay. So do I just pick from anywhere? I feel like paparazzi.
Do me a favor, please. Get out of here. Get out of here, man. Shit, I'm saying.
So I just pick from anywhere?
Anyway.
Shots, everybody.
Everybody take a drink.
That's how we started?
I like that.
You gotta put it back at the top, but you gotta flip it over.
That's a fucked up way to start it.
I don't think we can last long.
This I go work better.
That's what I'm saying. I think you gotta stand up.
You know, for play Jenga, brother?
Better, I know if I play this better.
Ain't you gotta do your
You wanna fuck it up for everybody.
No, I'm not.
As long as I get a turn.
Bro, I played this before.
We're not gonna get the chance.
Oh shit.
You can't see it. Man, grab the thing, brother.
Oh my god.
Bro, this thing.
You giving us in
Drop it down, done. Wait a second.
Shortest drink.
Definitely Ryan's taller. Your slips. Yeah.
So this is Victoria.
Victoria got his drink.
Wait.
Oh, it's my turn. Okay. These things is not moving.
No, yeah, if I can, I definitely like that.
I'll rewind. So back to you.
What you gonna do, Ryan?
Yeah, move forward.
Let me see. Say what? Let's see if this one's gonna come up.
Oh, you need the money they lost from the regular.
2 sips. Gotta take 2 sips, my boy.
I'm the one who gotta take 2 sips.
Go,
that's-
bro. Go.
Fuck her, that's
Sips. Don't OD. Does it keep going back? Yeah. Okay.
No, I'm gonna take the first one.
Oh, it reversed the whole. Oh, boom. Okay. That's tough. That's tough.
I made that one.
That's a tough idea. I like that
I
one.
made that one too.
Go ahead.
Yeah.
What?
Mystery shot.
Ooh, what's that?
Yo, Vic, mix up a mixture shot.
Oh wow. Yeah, y'all expect Oh my god.
Damn, this shit tougher than it look.
No, just top it, brother. Better just top it something, my lad.
Man, watch out, yo. Skip.
Oh, you get skipped.
Damn it. Well, I guess. I don't want to do it to y'all.
Don't be the one to do it.
No. No?
Nah, just do it.
I was going to. Oldest drink.
Oh, no, look on me, man.
Hold on. Who's the oldest?
Not
Age.
me.
I'm a youngin', so we ain't even gotta ask my age.
Wait, how
What's
old?
it?
around and let all them whisper to you so they don't cheat.
I mean, they can just say it out loud.
Wait, how old?
No, man, I'm gonna lie. We had to see him as brother.
You the oldest.
You the oldest. What year you graduated high school?
I'm 22. My birthday, February 19th.
Ryan.
You would acting number G.
Y'all say happy
What year you graduated high school?
My lad, fuck off.
shot, not
drink,
drink.
shot, whatever.
Mystery shot. Mystery drink.
Who was supposed to drink that?
That's what I'm saying. It's a sip. A sip.
It's
a shot.
Victor tried to kill our feet.
That's not even a lie. Boom. Head bust. How we gonna flip it back this way?
Bro, the fact that
It don't.
Wait, that's what happened?
If another
What? Marry this, but marry this, right? I can read this, but just give me a second. I will write upon them, man. Oh no, I will write upon this. Wait. Listen up, brother. It says plead the fifth. When did you last have? I don't know what this says right here, so I don't know what it says.
When did you last have sex?
That's not what does it say?
sex.
That's not what it says, bro. It says sex, bro. It says what?
You have sex.
It's who?
When's the last time you had sex?
I don't know. It was probably like 2019.
Y'all
I said probably.
man. Y'all, hey man.
Alright, stop.
Oh my god, why do I keep getting these?
Sip, drink what? See, drink what?
7-second drink, bro.
7-second drink.
Okay, I'm just sipping a mystery.
Boy, God go there.
Dude, hold on. First of all, you probably not even drinking that. Hold on.
That was 2 seconds, so I have 5 more. Come.
I like how you keep track of numbers. That's nice.
She not swallow nothing.
I'm drinking.
She not swallow nothing.
Yeah.
Get to it now, move. No,
Like you think
she not swallow nothing, nobody, man. Yo, man, I'm watching my one
right
go.
here.
One go, man.
Yo, you might as well just finish that.
Oh, so this
Go
one
ahead,
is
you might
7?
as well finish it.
So this is
Cause you
7.
trying to
Yeah.
baby this. Yo, this
That's
is
7.
Oh, yeah.
Alright, you're good, brother. Next.
Chukancho.
Boom, boom. Oh man, this one real difficult.
Brother, don't pass us again.
Damn, I should have picked that.
Get out of the jail block. What does it do? What do I do with this?
We use that anytime.
Yeah, this is my game. I like this game right here. I'll put it in my pocket.
Do it. Get this one or something.
No, don't tell me what to do.
You gotta mess it up.
It's over with.
No, it's not.
Pick someone for a staring contest.
Whoever lose got a drink.
Whoever blinked first got a drink. So who you picking?
All right. I'm gonna do right because you're already in front of me, so might as well.
Hold on.
Alright.
Ready? Set.
Go.
Go. Use the tip.
Ryan, that was so It wasn't even 2 seconds in, okay?
That boy quit and smiled.
Fuck you, that's him. Like, that was like a half a minute, brother.
Drink up.
Brother, my lad, fuck up.
No, we just put it up there.
Alright,
Ooh, this nigga tough. Fuck what?
Fuck, marry, kill.
Put it out there, right?
I plead the fifth.
No, we mean
Whoa.
Alright.
One of them getting killed. I know I ain't getting killed. It take too long. I know I'm in the race.
First one, why first one, Mari?
Fuck.
Oh, first one, I fuck. Alright, so go.
do it! Just do it!
Which one of them you ask, man?
Smash, marry, kill.
Mari, kill. Alright.
Oh, that's gonna drop him.
Yo, don't fuck yourself.
That shit fall.
time on on separate.
Hold on, cause that was weird.
Stop. No.
Victoria.
It's alright. I can't push. I can push it back. That's cheating, right? If I push it
Nah, I
back.
think you already touched it.
Yeah.
Bro, what the You already moved.
Alright, so it was nice playing with you.
Yeah, it was a nice.
Wait. So I can't push it back.
No, you can't put it back. You gotta take it out. All of them, you put that one.
Okay, I didn't see. Just chill.
Let me get the check. Watch out. I think you should move over a little. It's gonna be Jenga everywhere.
Let's move.
Alright. She might rip. Nah, she can't rip that.
Shut the fuck up.
You really think you gonna make that, bro?
Can you shut up?
I'm just being.
Nah, you're wild.
Just tap it
Yeah, the
slowly. Just tap right here slowly.
No,
Just brother, do it, brother. Brother.
Do it! Just do it!
Fuck yeah.
Damn.
Man, try to stop it. That brother's got you all there.
That game, right?
Drink your cup. Drink your cup.
Go ahead and.
This is
An empty cup that.
Seriously, what the fuck are you doing?
You got this beat?
Yeah,
Yo, watch right now. Junior listener. A big junior listener. Alright. So how was it, V?
So look, man.
You know,
That was part 1 of the video. If you like, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. We about to get to part 2, so stay tuned.
I want to get niggas. I ain't drinking not one time.
Of course, because this one, like, we going in. Everybody snapping. Everybody on their shit on this one. Nobody drunk yet.
I'm just gonna say fuck it. I'm just gonna say fuck it.
Try.
Nah, bro, you can't say fuck it, nigga. You gotta say fuck it. You gotta say fuck it. You
gotta do it. If you gonna do that, you gotta do that.
Get away.
5 minutes later.
No.
Not from there.
I'll drink with you.
Not from there.
My dog.
Lower, bro.
We just gonna all drink.
Right there, bro.
You gotta get
Right here.
I can't go back.
The black ass up in the world.
You gotta try some raw shit, bro. You gotta try some raw shit.
This is terrible, bro. If it gets to me, I'm fucked.
2 hours later.
Why this one not?
What making it?
Bruh, stop moving.
Who's telling us to stop moving?
Ain't nobody moving. It's right here, guys. It's right here.
Come true, bro. You're good.
I can't do it.
Good dog.
I can't do it.
Good dog.
I can't.
6.5 hours later.
Oh my god.
Jump for this, bro. This is not fair.
Right here, my guy.
Nah, bro, you tripping.
You die.
It gotta be one of these. Come on,
It
man.
got to be, bro. You can't do nothing else but that.
No way, bro.
Ain't no way, boy.
Ain't no
45 laps.
Boy, ain't no way, boy. Ain't no fucking way, boy.
School?
This ain't fair, bro.
That now.
Let's pick up everything. Pick up all the ones.
What?
Can we put this a little higher, bro? No cap, bro. This ain't fair,
You
bro.
gotta do some raw shit,
Ain't
fam.
no way I was gonna make any of this, bro.
You gotta do some raw shit, bro.
2,000 years later.
Do it. If you're gonna do it, you gotta flick it.
I was gonna win anyway.
You gotta flick that hoe if you're gonna do it,
I was
bro.
gonna win anyway.
I know it. Show's over. Yes, sir. So make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. You know what I'm saying? It's your boy Wiper.
I'm drunk. I'm very intoxicated. Very intoxicated.
I won. I definitely won.
We won.
I won.
We didn't lose, but we didn't win. But we
But I
didn't
beat
lose.
you too, so I really
beat
won.
me?
I won one.
She didn't beat me.
Yes, I did. Rock, paper, scissors. Who lost? You.
Okay.
Fact. All right, she did beat you. But yeah, man, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. You know what I'm saying? It's your boy Wiper. We out.